Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need iOS 16 or later. Once confirmed, you'll start directly in the lock screen editor. First, long press the lock screen until the customization view appears. Tap Customize under the currently active lock screen. Make sure you select the lock screen, not the home screen. You're doing this because only the lock screen editor lets you add widgets that display extra times or clocks. Now that the editor is open, move to the widget area below the clock to place a world clock widget. Once the widget picker is visible, scroll to the Clock app widgets. Here you'll find world clock options showing one or multiple cities. You should select the widget size and format that fits under your main time, tap or drag it into the vacant widget slot below the clock. Make sure the cities you want are already added in the Clock app's world clock list because the widget pulls those entries. After placing it, verify the displayed city and time match your intended time zone. Tap Done to save the lock screen and then lock and wake the phone to confirm the added time shows correctly. If the wrong city appears, open the Clock app, edit or reorder your world clocks. Changes reflect in the widget after reselecting or re-adding it. If the widget doesn't update or disappears, try removing and re-adding it, restart the phone, then re-enter the lock screen editor. That resolves the common sync issues and ensures the time displays reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.